Welcome back to Pig and Beef. Today we have a Weber Kettle Master Touch Charcoal Grill. We're going to briefly show you an unboxing and assembly, talk about its features, show you how to set it up, then give our thoughts and impressions on this grill. As you begin unpacking, you'll see this sheet that introduces Weber's mobile app. Let's hop into the app and show you some of its features while we unbox the grill and put it together. The app is actually quite useful. You're able to see information about your grill, including setup, warranty, and a few accessories available for purchase. The app also contains recipes that include step-by-step instructions specific to the type of Weber grill that you have. You'll also find helpful instructions for setting up your grill, which we'll get to in a little bit. A couple things worth pointing out is the one-touch cleaning system seen here and the aluminum ash catcher, which is also standard on the original Kettle Premium charcoal grill. Exclusive to the Master Touch, however, are the included char baskets, the Gourmet Barbecue System hinged cooking grate, which provides for compatibility with Gourmet Barbecue System accessories, and the additional warming rack. Also standard is the built-in lid thermometer. Let's get into some basics and show you how to set up your Weber kettle for cooking. But first, let's take a look at the center portion on the grill grate that is removable. This is what Weber refers to as their Gourmet Barbecue System. In short, you can buy compatible add-ons such as a pizza stone, sear grate, griddle, or even a wok. Another feature of the Master Touch is that the grill grate has these hinges on each side, which allows quick access to add more charcoal or wood chips during your cook. Alright, now we're going to show you some methods for getting your kettle ready to cook. As a quick sidebar, you can see that the Weber app walks you through different methods on setting up your cook and is quite helpful for beginners. The first method here is the indirect method, which uses a char basket on each side and a pan in the middle. You can use the pan for a few things. You can either add some water to help lower the temperature, or you can simply use it to catch fat drippings if you're planning on making some gravy. With the indirect method, you have the hot zones on each side and you place the meat over the pan. This is intended for longer cooks, such as ribs, pulled pork, etc. This next method is also an indirect method, but you'll be consolidating your hot zones into one and the indirect zone is now on the side. This is good for larger cuts of meat that will spend some time on a lower heat and then moved over to the other side later to be seared like a tri-tip. If you do this, make sure that the damper is over the cooler zone so that your smoke properly circulates throughout the chamber. This method is the direct method. You'll see we're placing the hot zone square in the middle and then you'll have a cool zone circulating around it. This could be used if you are cooking meat that you spend time grilling directly and rotating to and from the hot zone, like burgers or hot dogs. In terms of lighting the charcoal, our preferred method is using a chimney starter. Simply fill the chimney starter, place some old newspapers or paper towels at the bottom of it and light it up. After about 20 to 30 minutes, you should be set. Once you see that the charcoal has started to ash over, you're good to go. Once you've lit the charcoal, you'll be using the damper on the lid and the damper at the bottom to help adjust the temperature. The Weber app can help guide you on this. Here you can see us setting up the grill for the direct method, but without the char baskets. This enables you to utilize the entire grill area for cooking. Let's talk about our thoughts and impressions about the Master Touch and Weber kettle grills in general. In the meantime, we'll throw some specs up on the screen. Weber kettle grills are a blast to use and they are super versatile, especially when you consider all the different accessories that you can get for these things. The Master Touch is a great upgrade over the standard and premium models when you factor in the char baskets and add-ons you can unlock with the Gourmet Barbecue System. The learning curve for using a kettle grill is definitely higher than a wood pellet grill, but the experience is also more rewarding, albeit much more hands-on. If you're looking into getting a charcoal smoker that doesn't have as steep of a learning curve, the pit barrel cooker is a great option. We'll cover the pit barrel cooker in a different video. We recommend adding a Weber kettle and especially the Master Touch if you're looking to expand your barbecue horizons. If you're looking to get into barbecuing and smoking meat, there are easier options out there, but with a relatively low cost to entry, it's still worth looking at. Stay tuned for some videos on accessories for the kettle, such as the Slow and Sear from Adrenaline Barbecue. Thanks for watching this video, and be sure to check out our other content as well. If you like what you see, leave us a comment and hit the subscribe button.